Go. This is me again. And Miguel. Finally on my basketball hoop. And my daddy.
And
say hello.
and he's using his
cheap phone.
No, not
and the doggy running back.
Wait. And he would and finally Hunter guy is using his YouTube account.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Oh.
Okay. 3.3. Wait.
Oh my gosh. Looks like a nerd.
Oh!
But we almost. Baby style. Fail.
Another 3+3.
Hit the car. Hurry up.
Sorry about that.
Oh, come on.
When you do it, do a 360.
It's my turn.
Ow!
My turn.
Wait, one more shot. Until I get
one more shot for $1,000,000.
No, till I get.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Ah!
My turn.
No.
Ah!
I said when I shoot.
I like the buggy on there right now.
This kid wants a 4-pointer. Up close. Ah! Oh no! Don't hit me! Hurry up! Let's get us closer. Oh! What do you have to say? My turn.
Okay. And action.
Oh, behind the back.
Oh! I'll do double dunk again. Ah! 360! It was an ugly 360. Oh, it's about time more for the new later. Did he poop on it?
Focus on me. Oh, behind the back. Behind the back again.
Woo!
And now,
do baby 360. Woo!
bye. I want to do another 360.
No, wait. After the 360, do a 5-point shot.
I want to do 5-point shot right now.
Okay, then. Okay.
Say it.
He's gonna do a 5-point shot. It's gonna be so hard for him. He's gonna make a pooey. Woo! Ah! Woo! Ah! Break you!
Now, hanging.
Ah! Wait, let me do it. Here. Wait.
Oh my gosh. This kid is crazy. Woo! Oh.